hard to do a coordinated fire with any chance to do any type of coordination or anything like that. So we've got to use that, right? Now, we have artillery strike. Now, if you here on the battlefield, if you see that building, a whole bunch of guys in there, maybe take it off the collar and do the strike. You call, hey, request fire. The first thing is, what do you see? We're going to tell you. If you go to the heart, you create the fire.
Oh, go right ahead. Here.
I don't know if Ed wants it or not. I was trying to get it Ed.
You put a little.
I'm sorry, that's.
I'm not worried. I'm not worried.
It's really clean.
That let us know, okay, you know exactly where you guys are at. Do we have our boundary strict available down the road?
I ain't a thoroughbred, but at least I can get out.
None of us are. Kidding, I'm not.
No, I mean in general, I'm a bigger, slower user. I might as well carry stuff.
Still not fishing either. I don't know, Rick ain't. At first we took a lot out of it.
No problem. Hey, boy, get that done.
Friendly fire.
All right. I have to correct some issues from this morning. We'll wait for Max to get back.
I'm sorry, would you see my cord? Did you see the hose for my phone? Ah, thank you. So,
Yo, to the parking level.
Bottom, outside. Should be empty. Thank you.
this isn't gonna work.
Litter in the battlefield, nothing but dead bodies, red rags, right? Open up the gates of hell and these dogs you want to count the street, march your die. 1, 2, 3.
March your die!
Hey, earlier on, did anybody pick up a rifle from outside building?
What?
Did anybody pick up a rifle? Let us back know. One of the other guys put it there, went inside the building, and came out.
I thought it said light bulb.
Come on, warm it up.
Come on, where do you want us?
Right next to 1-1.
Why you get everyone here?
All right, you don't need to form up. Just stand there, turn around.
Okay, I like that.
No, that's not cool. Dude in the black shirt. Now you gotta cut it. Cool. All right. Overall, fire good. Everybody busy about not calling their hits. Yeah, we know. Our reps have seen something this morning. Everybody bitching about they're not calling their hits. Our reps are judging it. You are falling short. Check your range. 2, firing through cracks and little things, while within the letter of the law, is outside the sphere of the law. You gotta give them something to shoot at. I mean, taking 1 or 2 shots, I'm cool with that. staying there all day? No. Big important thing. You may not blockade the door. Not with your feet, not with your body, not with a table, not with anything. You may not blockade the door. Now, I said this morning because I wasn't understood. So now I must have everybody say, you may not blockade the door.
You may not blockade the door.
There. Everybody knows. Let's have a good game out there this afternoon. It's going to get into Snickers time. I've asked for sunshine this afternoon. We should have some sunshine. All right. For this scenario, they're not switching. The regen points for Pan will be the pavilion right over here. We are going to be running individual fragos. We'll be pulling you guys out in squads at times against not 4 up in that area. So you can do secret squirrel crap. Because everybody loves to be special. And our up 4 loves fighting. Rooftops are still off limits. If the sun comes out and dries them off, we're back to playing on them. We didn't have any problem with them this morning overall until they got slick. All right? Call your hits, play well. Snickers time, like 2.5 hours. I'll hear everybody bitching then. For all the players bitching earlier, this is Milton. You will be surprised. If you don't like to be surprised, play golf. You may deploy to your spawns, and the spawn lines are deployed by your COs. Game on should be at 2 o'clock. Check your watches. That's it. Real quick.
10 minutes.
So you got 8 minutes.
All right,
Double
guys,
time.
fuck out.
Still waiting on Kyle. Letter's still not here. And Rick. Right here. Oh, yeah, thank you. Hey, Rick, where's Kyle?
That was still. Our objective is 1-2. Our objective is going to be I got you. You want to turn down?
I can do it. Making sure I can at least reach it, so if I need to fuck with it later, you know.
I took a speed loader back.
I got 2.
2 what?
2 big speed loaders right there. 2 5s, okay? Or this is the OSM.
Right.
I think it's kind of funny that the whole, you know, don't blockade doors was my fault.
Was it?
Dude was telling me to sit there and hold the door. Like, literally hold it closed. I'm like,
No, they were yelling that shit.
yeah.
Ghost, ETA.
5 minutes. What's your location?
Pavilion.
On point. Starting in 7 minutes.
Pavilion.
Pavilion, okay.
Not
Point
the...
has changed to pavilion.
You got all at AL Alpha, you got all at AL Bravo.
Roger that. All right, right here. You don't want to stop. Stop. Don't be going further right here. Just start the equipment area.
Anywhere along, you can go behind the bridge, up to that corner, up to the corner.
You go all the way to the corner of 2.
Me.
Stay here.
Go on.
Imagine probably about 30 feet.
Frank!
I got you first.
Those are blah, 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 blah.
6 minutes. You are up. One more. Spoiler, don't start. Get accountability of your men. Find out where the hell they're at. Right here.
Where's Jake?
First platoon, not me.
I'm obviously not waiting for anything. I'm waiting for Fifth on.
You're up. You're up.
No, I'm gonna
Give me a thumbs up, platoon sergeant, when you got your people. You're up.
What if you have some?
5 minutes. You're up for the rest.
Snap the damn arm.
I have to pee.
I know. As soon as you hit the field, it's like, oh shit. Maybe if we get inside a building, I'm gonna use one of the bathrooms.
130. We're good.
Any sign of 1-4?
Squeeze. I wasn't sure where. I didn't know where lining up.
Yep. How much you got left? Yeah.
Can you put that around your wrist?
Start trying to.
Like, does it fit?
Start timing? No, start trying to think about it. Get another one. I'll give it to you.
I have an extra pouch for anyone that needs to carry anything.
Fit me? Kangaroo pouch?
There you go.
Probably fit your shoe in there.
It's easy to get. Don't have to use. You can have both hands open. You can pull it off faster at least.
Hey, bring it in.
You don't have to worry about grabbing it out of your dead pouch.
We are only to play from the right side of the gazebo. Okay? If Mullen tells you, tell him that you're supposed to go alpha and that you're on that side and that's your orders. Because he'll just go berserk and doesn't care, okay? Let's try to stay together. We're going to the high school. That's our attempt. That's our first objective, whatever.
Right where they're at.
The one with all the windows.
front of the building there?
So.
Look at the car.
I don't know.
Yep.
Yeah, right next to
And we're
them.
hopefully just Tony just wants us to stick.
Leave it right there.
We can, but we'll see. Yeah. We'll see. It's a long fucking walk.
And that's a lot of fucking guys probably going straight for that.
Are we?
Running right up the gut?
I mean, that's what Tony said, right up the gut. I don't know.
Right up the gut is we'll get to about the gazebo and get killed.
That's gonna actually happen.
My vote?
If we can get into that building there is a straight path from here to the building across.
Let's post up in the corner of that. That sounds good to me.
Okay, where that door is.
Where that door is. It's at least just that's first.
It's a good halfway point, and we
That's
could
our
push
first
through.
starting point. Okay.
And we could push through the building.
Right? You know? Run on this side of the two car.
If I get an opportunity.
Yeah, that's cool. I got a whole box. I think it's one of them. Yeah. Oh boy, I think he'll be able to box here.
My camel pack's full of Mio energy. I'm just.
My thing is, I don't want to have less.
Damn, no wonder. I got a
Huh?
All right, who shit themselves?
Did you not hear that?
It was Jesus Christ, dude, the ground vibe.
Guys, we're right behind him now.
It's right through my mouth.
Let's be realistic.
We don't have the speed to keep up. So I don't want to have two squads.
We're gonna try to go.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Hey, fast dudes up front.
Yep.
Oh, that is.
We were waiting for them. Those guys are going to go first, and then we're moving behind.
I know. How far you want me to run first?
We're going to lag behind the first squad that's going up.
I'm a fast dude. How many guys? Whoever made that attempt or said that was a clear objective. Place for the medics
Right.
going right there. Awesome. Just start off, and then we're gonna try to go in that building and make it into high school.
Hey, when you guys find Kyle, I need him because he fucked with my radio channels. I can hear him now, but I can't hear him now.
Maybe that's what he wanted. Who wants to go with Scott?
Who else is a runner?
I can be runner.
All right, you and Scott run.
Move right.
Bravo?
Fuck that noise.
We want him to be alpha.
We 1-1.
Okay, so we're Bravo, not Alpha. Okay. Remember, Mullen says that we're Bravo. Oh, I care for Delta. Sorry, Mullen.
Come on!
You guys get ready to go.
I want to make that.
You got a minute.
Guys, come on.
1 minute.
I want you in there. Gotcha.
All right.
You gotta fix Vito's radio. He can't hear his own voice. Just run along the path, then cut.
I'm just going to beeline straight for that door.
And then once we get there, just keep moving through the building too.
Kyle, follow us.
Kyle.
Kyle, we're not dead. Come here, we got a plan.
Can I get on Phil's back? Hey, camera's on. I already did it.
I was making sure it's
I
recorded.
can do this stuff.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm a big
We turned the
boy.
LEDs off.
Ah, you did that?
Yeah, so that way when like indoors you don't see just
Pretty keep. Yeah, through the glass.
If you notice at CIA how you could just see the beep, beep.
Hauling ass.
Huh?
Casey, you want to be on me?
There's nowhere we're gonna get it.
They're a bounding point.
Get ready.
That's how we were hauling.
All right. Where's Little Phil? You want to think you're the fastest? Where are we going? Do I have that foot race? You don't have to.
You're gonna have our medic run right out in the front.
Don't worry, he'll be in the back like that way.
Yeah, by the time we get up there, you don't want us to go up there?
Nothing else going on.
He's got Alex on the front.
29, 28. Amazon? It was like 70.
You're stuck running in that fucking grass, aren't I?
Huh?
They're all taking that path. Nobody's stuck in grass. Yeah.
Do you have a mag in there?
Oh God, I love it.
Mike just had a fear boner.
Go, 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 go! Want to wait for us to regroup?
Yep. That was a good push.
Alright, see this kind of the air conditioners? See that with the air conditioners? They've got to get around that to shoot our guys in the back, and I'll be in range of us.
Shoot the door?
Yeah.
We're waiting for the rest of our squad so we can regroup more.
I gotta get around this little block structure. We got green coming around the corner down.
Let me see if I can get any visuals over here. Only entrance is back that way. Fogged up. There's no other ways. Only way is in that way through those two, that Y.
What do we got over here?
Should be dead ends.
I want to check this
Where's that? What's that? 1, 2.
Where we got him at?
Running on there. We're going to try to move our squad down. Get on that concrete berm. Where's bad guys? Right?
There's one coming out of the door in the orange building. Orange building. Door right here. That door?
Yep, there you go.
All right, Todd, we got to move fast.
Okay, you with me. Where's your squad?
Got a couple guys here, one's back there.
Okay, we're going to help our QRF. We're going to secure this door right here.
Where's the rest of our squad?
Moving.
Where's the rest of Ronan? Down there?
Yeah. Let me see.
Ronan's down the hill right down here. Stats, I think, are in front of him. All dead right there in the way. We got Little Phil healing. Careful contact left side.
Yeah, we got a few.
We're not supposed to worry about them, man. If they're shooting at us, shoot back, but don't worry about them.
Open fucking area, they can't range it.
Our objective is that. So,
Alright.
I'm just worried about leaving this,
What I want to know is why we have 50 fucking tan sitting outside that door.
waiting to get everyone healed back up so they can push.
Is that another door?
We got a guy holding it. There's an enemy on the other side.
We need to fucking kill him. Oh, yeah, he is. I need to shut that fucking door.
Not allowed to barricade doors. All right, let's just... On me.
Yes, sir. All right, everything.
Alex, Scott.
Yo.
You guys want to go in the gully?
What we got down?
It's hot. Hey.
I know.
We're going to have to go back and go in.
Gentlemen, watch your back.
Drag him back, damn it.
Just go, stay where you are. I'll take him. Take him. Scott, on me. Scott. Scott, on me. We're gonna back up. Take the goalie. Go down. You all right?
Yeah, I'm just sliding down.
All right. No resistance.
I think it's smart to jump in here.
Move.